This is Dr. Farhad Bolchi with CDOCS, and in this tip of the day, I would like to review the Astra EV Profile Implant. The Astra EV Profile Implant is the only implant system on the market that has a sloped design. This comes in very handy when we're dealing with sites in the posterior areas of the mouth, where after extractions, a lot of times the ridges have resorbed and we have got a sloped ridge, particularly to the buccal. So as we can see here in this specific CBCT image for our implant planning in the Galileo's implant software, we can see that we have got a resorbed posterior ridge with a sloped design to the buccal. And we can see here that we have planned an Astra EV Profile implant that has a sloped design. This then allows us to avoid the necessary bone grafting procedure that would necessarily be the case for a straight walled implant. So with this profile implant, we can avoid the bone grafting procedure for this patient. We can still go ahead and fabricate our typical guide here. In this case, it's a CEREC Guide 3. Do a mini flap, prepare the site with the regular drills. There are no specific drills for the profile implant, but there is a specific implant carrier for the profile implant. As you can see here on the left slide, the implant is sloped to the buccal, and we place the implant lining up that slope with the slope on the ridge on the buccal aspect, thereby allowing us again to avoid the bone grafting procedure that would typically be necessary in a case like this. Then it's just a matter of placing a healing cap and suturing the flap around the healing cap. Now there are also specific profile implant healing caps that have got the profile design built into them, although it would also be possible to place a regular healing cap as well. You can see here the periapical radiograph on the right hand slide here. It looks like a typical implant, but if you would look in a cross-sectional view, you would see the slope, how it relates to the ridge. So again, this is a very nice implant to have handy in our armamentarium to use in these type of specific cases with slope ridges. If you have any questions or for more information, please refer to the CDOCS website at cdocs.com for more videos and more information and more discussion on topics similar to this one.